There are four main types of fixings suitable for installing facade system brackets back to concrete substrates. Concrete screws, through bolts and resin anchors can be used for double or fixed point brackets. Frame fixings can also be considered for single or sliding point brackets. We have compared the installation times using each of these four fixings and have shown that using concrete screws are the most time efficient method. This takes into account the length of time to drill, clean, drive in and tighten each fixing method. On a typical 2,000 square metre project, this would equate to a significant reduction in labour compared with other options. Certifix can help with selecting the correct fixing for your project.